ready for her Zoom meeting today. She had to do a presentation, so we have a little bit more of a normal than everyday makeup. Can you look down for me, Veronica? So a little bit of shimmer, a neutral tone, and a soft crease color in a natural brown, and just some concealer to highlight her. She does have some medium natural lashes on. All about skin, because of course she wants to enhance her eyes, but she also wants to look effortless. So just some healthy skin, a little bit of glow to it. We evened her out and then added a nice pink but very soft lip to set it off. And the biggest thing in makeup right now is very clean brows, maybe very natural lash, because of course with the mask on, you can't see the whole face. Skincare is very important right now because the mask dries out the skin, and a lot of people are having trouble with breakouts. So very good moisturizers and cleansers, changing mask as often as you can helps, but everything is about the skin right now. My new favorite item ever that all women need if you are going to wear anything on your lips is this, because it fits under the mask. And what people also don't know, it helps if you wear glasses from the steaming. So if you have steaming coming through, if you have this, it kind of just helps the mask lay perfectly on the face without all the extras. But it's like her pretty lip would be preserved under here with the mask. In my purse, I keep my mascara, my brow pencil, and lip conditioner right now during the pandemic. Those are like the most important things. I'm Angel Dobine. I have a makeup Instagram. My Instagram is cheekbones and tattoos. Easy to remember, but long as hell. Yes, thank you for that. Doing makeup, 20 years more plus in the game. I'm not aged, as you can see. I can do what's current, because that's a concern a lot of times, because I'm not doing that harsh love and hip hop extra out. I do makeup for real women, professional women, people who want to stay classy, soft. Even if it's glamorous, it will still have a soft finish to it.
Further than that.